Retreat to a beautiful and serene gated community. Retreat to Woodbridge Apartments. Woodbridge is a tranquil community surrounded by lavish landscape and a park-like setting. Nestled in the heart of Silicon Valley, we are minutes away from the medical facility, major high-tech companies, and everything you could want. Our quaint community is spread out over several acres, giving you the feeling of openness when strolling through the grounds. Our community boasts a beautifully remodeled clubhouse, complete with a full kitchen to entertain in, as well as a pool table for a game of billiards. Save money after you cancel your gym membership, and head to our newly remodeled fitness center with brand new equipment, his and hers saunas and showers, and our yoga room where you can enjoy your own fitness video. And don't forget our sparkling pool, which is conveniently heated year-round. Our newly renovated homes offer plush carpeting, delightful two-tone paint, and hardwood laminate flooring. Enjoying entertaining in your gourmet-style kitchen that offers new appliances, countertops, and plenty of storage space. Now laundry day can be every day, if that's your wish, with your own washer and dryer in your home. Call or stop by today to make Woodbridge your new home. The only thing missing is you.